Boop, boop, boop. Right. Well, we'll just wait for a couple of people to join us. How you doing,
So
Whitney?
we're live? I didn't even know.
I,
Good thing I wasn't
I
like
I
picking my nose
think
or
we're
something.
live. It's it's always something happening on the internet. It's and we might be on the internet right now. Who?
We might.
Um,
We might
yeah.
not. Yeah.
So
Merry Quizmas.
Merry Quizmas and a Happy New Year. I didn't continue that. I just left it there at Quizmas. How you doing? What's going on? Where are you in this world today? Are you
I'm
anywhere
I'm at
exciting?
my home studio in Austin, Texas. Where are you
Lovely.
right now?
I'm in my home studio
Yeah.
in Cardiff in Wales. So yeah, we've it's just raining here. Like it's not that white Christmas vibe. It's just pure rain. So
Just cold and rain.
yeah,
Merry
just
Quizmas, the cold and rain Quizmas tradition.
that is the tradition. As long as I'm here, that will for 360 days of a year, that will be the tradition. So
Tell
yeah.
me about your Quizmas sweater. I don't have any
My
quiz.
Quizmas. Well,
Yeah. Oh, nice.
this one's just got reindeers, but we've got a special one today. So,
Yeah.
you should be able to see my screen with the slides. But
Oh,
today,
yeah.
this is what someone on the internet is going to win. They're going to win an axolotl. We call them jumpers in the UK, but I think you call them sweaters in US. And
Yeah. So it's actually a knitted thing. It's like real
yeah,
knitted sweater, like what you're wearing now. Yeah. Nice.
I
That's
will
high
say
quality.
yes. I will
Yeah.
say yes, but hopefully we can. If I'm incorrect, then I'll say no as well, and you can cancel whichever one out.
It'll
And
be a
just
sweatshirt with the knitted pattern like screen printed onto it. It's a different vibe, but
well,
it's
if
like the
you're if
tuxedo t-shirt versus the actual jacket and tie.
and if you're in Austin, then I think if you're wearing a sweater anyway, it's always going to be hot anyway. So yeah. So if you're an attendee today, please can you scan that QR code, and then now I'll just add you on. If you do it on your device, it's not going to ask you to log in. It'll ask you for your name in a moment, but that's what we're going to use for our quiz. And yes, Salman, let's go indeed. Well, we'll get started in a couple of moments with a quiz. I haven't prepped Whitney with any of this, so this is going to be exciting. Um, so we're just going to have a chat for a couple of minutes, and then we'll get into the quiz and we'll talk about that. But this, it's been 2025, Whitney, and
Oh,
today it's my last day before retirement of 2025. As
okay.
of tomorrow, I'm off. But yeah, so I was going to ask you, like, what's your favorite part of 2025? But because I haven't prepared you with this, I'll do a little bit of what I've enjoyed, and I'll let you figure out if at all you've enjoyed 2025. Yeah, so for us at Adara, it's been super exciting. Well, last year we were out in Salt Lake City at KubeCon, and then we started seeing everyone. And this year now we've got customers as well, so that's been super exciting. And
Ooh.
our team's growing. And yeah, it's like we're going into the new year, and we've got lots of exciting stuff planned. So we're going to be everywhere. We're going to be absolutely everywhere next year. So that's looking exciting. But have there been any highlights for you, Whitney?
Well, I rang in the new year unemployed, recently laid off from Broadcom, and
Oh,
now
oh.
I've gone most of the year since March happily employed at Datadog. So that's been momentous for me personally.
Let me
And
just press my air horn to celebrate that. So one second. Wah, 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 wah.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
And then, yeah, I've gotten really into Gen AI. I'm not. I rang in the new year being like bah humbug with all that AI business, and now I'm just like leaning into it. I kind of love it. I
Yeah.
would have never guessed.
Yeah.
I love
I
how
I
I said
didn't
I got a new job and there were a million hearts, and I'm like, and I love Gen AI, and then silence.
So,
Shh.
yeah. Well, oh, I lost my voice to AI at KubeCon this year. Yeah, Claude took my voice apparently at one of your
Yeah.
presentations, and I think that's been a highlight. Like your talk this year in 2025, that was such a good talk. It was phenomenal, and not the one with my voice, maybe Matt or Chris Plank. But if you get a chance, and if maybe we'll put the link in here as well, but go into that talk. It's so informative and really interesting in how you're doing it. So much so that I kind of took your idea with myself and I created this thing called Ivy Sketch, which is designing your own axolotl. I showed you at KubeCon, I believe.
Yeah, yeah.
But But I saw you were everywhere at KubeCon, so I don't know if you could remember that. But it's,
That one moment of quality time I spent with my very good friend. Oh no, I couldn't be bothered.
it felt like you were avoiding me after that. But I no. Well, we've done 2025, so let's go to the future. Like, fun fact, I've kept saying that this year was 2026. So much so that in my personal calendar, I put Quizmas 2026 for today. So I'm really looking forward to actually having a date time correct because date time is hard. And yeah, time's just going to correlate with me for 365 days. Yeah, so I've already shared that I'm excited about well, what we're doing at Adera, our hardened runtime. And yeah, like we've got some exciting things coming up. I'm going to be at Container Days in London as well in January, and we're going to be at KubeCon in Amsterdam. We've got some exciting things. Well, you if you're coming to Amsterdam at KubeCon, you're going to have to find us. You're going to love it. Oh, thank you for sharing the talk. Thank you for sharing that talk in the chat in Zoom. So, Whitney and yourself, what are you looking forward to in 2026?
I'm also looking forward to Amsterdam. I'm presenting alongside another one of my tech besties, Victor, and we're going to do a choose your own adventure around using Gen AI for platform engineering as an interface for your platform engineers. And that's going to be a big deal. It's for once, I'm owning the demo. Usually Victor does the demo and I do the talking, and we're going to try flipping it. So it'll be
I
extra exciting. Um, and what else am I looking forward to? I don't know. It's going to be a great year. How's that? I had something else in my head and it's gone now. Whatever. It'll come back or it won't.
Hey, and it'll come up. We'll find it anyway. We'll find it next year, and then you can
Yeah.
message me, and then we'll send everyone an update. All
Yes.
right.
An email with just one line. Like, here's
Yeah.
one more thing Whitney's looking forward to. I know you you haven't been able to think of anything else until this is resolved.
I look forward to one-line updates in 2026 when it's not just AI spiel of like paragraphs and
Oh my
paragraphs. It's like
God,
this
yes.
is it. This is a definition. But great. Well, and equally in the chat, if there's anything that we've missed out in 2020, I don't know what else. Oh, football, soccer is happening in 2026. But yeah. Anyway, put in the chat what you're looking forward to. Right, the quiz. So, QR code, make sure you scan that QR code on your phone or use that link in your browser, wherever, just whatever you can connect onto the internet with. If you've got a Nintendo DS, it should work on there as well. We've got 4 rounds, and in those 4 rounds, we've got 20 questions. Each of those questions is a multiple choice. One of them is always correct. I've checked them numerous times because this is my biggest worry that it's not going to be right. Now, for the points as well, it's fastest finger. So I don't know if that trend. Do you have fastest finger in
I can
America?
infer what fastest finger means. I don't know if
Fast,
it's an official thing
fastest
here,
finger.
but we got it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's so if you have that confidence and you have that right answer, whoever presses it first will get the most points. And points mean sweaters or jumpers, depending on where you are based.
Plural? Is there one winner?
There is one winner. You are already a winner because thank you for doing this with us today. So we're
Oh, me
sending you
personally.
one of them. Yeah. If you want to take part, you can. Please, Whitney, please take part in
Oh,
this quiz. But you've already won one. So whoever comes at the top of that leaderboard will also win that axolotl. Let's go back in time. This
I
sweater slash jumper slash might be knitwear. We don't know. Someone will find out in 2025, 26. Who knows? We will find out soon. But
I
okay.
was going to if you weren't going to give me one, I was going to threaten to cheat because you have given me the answer key, so therefore I'm not going to fastest finger.
Whitney, this isn't our first rodeo. I knew that you'd go to that level and just try to cheat. And everyone else who's joined today, that's unfair. And so for me, because I'm in our working relationship, I'm that good. I'm a good one. So that's why we've got you one. So, right.
I like in the chat, it's just all kinds of Lewis threats. I get to threaten you. Salman's on it. Kaylin's
Everyone.
like, I too like to threaten Lewis.
It helps
This
keep me productive in work. Otherwise, I procrastinate.
it's it's the Quizmas Clash slash Lewis roast in your first annual.
I was going to say hopefully it will be the last day, but I got one more working day, and then then it's just for my family. And, right. So we'll get towards the quiz now. So our first round is all I want for Christmas is YAML. Um, I think we can all agree with that. Now, as I go on to the next screen, it'll ask you on your device that you're signed in on to enter your name. So if you can do that, and once you've done it, I can already see there's lots of emojis on that screen. So we've already got some fast fingers hitting the emojis. So Salman, thank you for joining. Adi, Aditya, thank you. Lewis's demise. Cheer. I thought I was Kaylin, but that's yeah, God, some good names happening here. Ah, this is why we need OIDC. This is why we need this level of authentication. Oh, cool. We'll let a couple of more players join. So just remember, when we start this quiz now, you'll have about 25 seconds. When you answer your question, it'll also update the screen. So if you don't necessarily know the answer, you can just look for the graphs. And if you want, just follow someone else or just hit some, like, just, you've got 1 in 4 chance. That's better than most of my chances on a daily basis. So,
So the winner's not just who gets the most right, but who gets the most right fastest.
correct. So if you get 20 out of 20, legit. And these are fun questions, by the way. This, like, this isn't something to update on LinkedIn. No, actually, let's redact. This is to endorse yourself on LinkedIn. Whoever wins this is the inaugural champion of Quizmas 2025. Yes, that might not be a stipulation for the jumper, but yes.
Put it on your resume. It'll probably get
Yeah,
you hired at your next
yeah.
job. Yeah.
But yeah, and we'll be hiring in the new year at Adara, so yes, like, put that on there as well. We'll make a LinkedIn badge for the winner. Like this. If this doesn't bring that Christmas spirit to you right now, I don't know what will.
I want the LinkedIn badge to be a portrait of the winner wearing the jumper. Bonus points if they're also holding a cat and looking off to the side.
Right. We can make this happen. We can, but it has to be legit. It can't be AI. Or a dog. It's a dog, but not together, because then that's just going to cause chaos. Okay, right. We've got players joining. We'll go into the question now. So get ready. So look on your device. You should see this as well. Okay. Quiz question one. What does YAML stand for? Not well. Is it in principle? Is it in the name? Does it stand for? Ooh, yet another markup language. Does it stand for YAML ain't markup language? Is it your amazing markup language or yet another meta language? Time's up. There we go. So initially it was yet another markup language, but then they changed it. I think it was in 2001, 2002, because I had to fact check this again, to YAML ain't markup language, because it can be self-referencing as well. So there we go. We've started with arguably the hardest question of our
Wow.
quiz. Like,
You're
it's
just
like,
going to start with not only a question about YAML, which ew, and a trick question about YAML. Awesome. Way to just win the audience over right from the beginning.
this is why I have so many professional relationships, because not many people want to be my friend outside. Right. So let's go on to the next one. We'll do a leaderboard at the end of each round. So, in a Kubernetes pod manifest, which field defines the image version being deployed? Is it metadata name, spec containers image, API version, or version? Now, Whitney, I would be a horrible person if I were to put you on the spot, so I'm just going to hold this out for a little bit, and then I'm going to ask you what you would put.
I
In
literally
five,
have the answers pulled up. I'm looking like
what? Don't tell people about the secret guest that I sent you. Yes. So yes, to manage the image version being deployed, it is for spec containers image. Right.
uh, yeah. I
Go on
didn't
then.
know, like I just showed up. We didn't talk up my, okay. You
We
got it
didn't,
first.
but we're into question three. Whitney, this is non-stop. This is what is the correct syntax pattern for kubectl commands? Now, this is a good tongue twister. Is it kubectl verb noun, kubectl noun verb, verb kubectl nouns, or noun verb kubectl?
Just a reminder that it's fast fingers. You might do well to just turn off the sound.
Yeah.
Don't
Just
let us distract you.
pass your device to a dog or a cat and just like, yes, it's cube cuddle verb noun. Um,
Salmon
I
says, I didn't realize this was an English exam. We're doing grammar now.
well, that question 17 is in Welsh, so good luck. Right, question four. Oh, no. Question four. There we go. Oh, yeah. User error there, maybe. Which holiday song has been played in space? You know, space. Like, look up that space. Is it Silent Night, Jingle Bells, White Christmas, or Last Christmas?
What's Last Christmas? Oh, is that the I gave you my heart one? Sing it for me.
Last Christmas, I gave you
Gave you
my
my
heart,
heart.
but the very
Very
next
next
day,
day,
you
you gave
gave
it
it
away.
away.
Wham! Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And yeah, it was Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells.
Yeah. And if you didn't like Last Christmas until now, and you don't like it after my rendition, it isn't going to be top of the charts this year. But I am available for parties if you so wish, and I will be there at Amsterdam at Cuba as we that's going to be exciting. So, question five. What happens if you omit resource limits in a pod spec? Now, if you want to quickly find the answer, go to your production environment, omit it, and see what happens. That's what I would do. That's I always learn in production. But does the pod fail to start? Is the pod can consume all available node resources? Kubernetes applies a default limit, or the pod runs faster. Which one is it? Time is up, and the pod can consume all available node resources. So it's important that you look into that. Ah, here we go. So Chris, you are in the lead with four. Oh, you got a streak of four as well. Then we got Theo, Salmon, and my demise is always lingering. Fourth. And yes. So Whitney, how you doing so far?
I'm doing great. I love Theo's comment. Theo says they strongly feel that Silent Night should be the correct answer.
Yeah, Theo is
Because there's no
yeah,
sound in space. It's good.
there.
Yeah.
And I feel like some people will be trying to escape to space to avoid us.
Again, turn the sound off if you want to
Yeah,
win.
you don't just have to mute it. You don't have to fund a space program. Like, you can just press mute, or destroy your speakers. Right, we'll go on to the next round. I've forgotten what I titled the next round. Oh, emoji enigmas. There we go. You're going to see an emoji, and then it's referencing in some way to the answer.
Wait, so
It
wait. What's the authority here? Is this what you feel that
um,
it is? Or is there some sort of
Not just here, but
emoji?
always, it's
Uh-huh.
how I, it's all about me. So it's how I feel. And not just for this quiz, but after the quiz, before the quiz, during the quiz, and after the quiz. It's like the ghost of Christmas, except it's a ghost of authority, and I am all. And yeah,
Great.
and
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
if you don't like the answer, then I really cannot state this enough that tomorrow is my last working day of 2025. So I'll take some comments tomorrow. I'll be nice, and then I will probably forget and sleep my slumber. Cool. Okay, me
Okay, so
joking.
this
Hope.
one is guess at which emojis Lewis thinks represents
Mhm.
something.
This is more like a therapy kind of thing. We'll see. We'll see how this goes now. And
Okay.
yeah. But
Cool,
anyway,
cool, cool.
someone's going to win a sweater, so I'll have at least one friend after this. So, okay. Let's go then. So, question six. What does this emoji combo represent? Is it a Docker container, a Kubernetes pod, a virtual machine, or a package manager?
Fast fingers.
I know fast fingers, and I think you can only do one. Maybe just hit them all. Hit them all at once. All right, let's see. Time is up, and we've got 11 for Docker containers. Yes, Docker is that whale, and the box is a container. That's it. That's it. I think one person doesn't agree with me there, and but that's okay. That's okay. So, what does this emoji represent? Now, I got to be careful not to say what that emoji is in my concept, but do I think it's Helm? Do I think it's Docker Swarm? Do I think it's Kubernetes? Or do I think it's Falco? And not Falco from like the 80s. Like, if didn't Falco, was it Amadeus? No, Falco sang Amadeus. There we go.
I
There
don't,
is. There's pop
I
knowledge
always
for you
thought
there.
Falco is related to the bird, the falcon. Is that not?
Oh,
Is Falco something else altogether that I didn't know
I
about?
believe it's a German pop artist, and
Is that
sang
is
Amadeus,
the
Amadeus.
technology named after the German pop artist and not the
I've
bird?
never been corrected, so I believe so. But in this instance as well, I don't recognize that emoji as Falco. I recognize it as Kubernetes. So, right.
I think Helm's a solid answer too.
Well, hold that thought. Let's get ready for the next question. What
Fat
does
fingers. He
this
basically told you
emoji
the answer. Hurry up,
represent in
press it.
cloud native tooling? Is it Istio? Is it, do you want to say this one? Is it,
Helm, press Helm.
yeah,
He just
is
said it's
it
Helm.
Fluent D or is it Grafana? I don't know. It's,
I think of Dapper when I see a top hat.
but you're not me. For once,
It's
you're not
true.
living
I'm
rent
not
free in
you.
here. Right.
Someone still pressed
So,
Istio. God bless you. Maybe you really did turn the sound off, which good for you.
Ask was, I also went there as well, and there was also there's a packaging tool in JavaScript, Bowman or Bowman. Oh, anyway, it doesn't matter. But no, in this instance, I was thinking Helm, because that's what Helm used initially. So
Is the
there we
top
go.
hat? What's
Yeah,
it?
it was a top hat.
Oh, I
Yeah,
didn't know
it's informative and constantly training, constantly helping people learn. Like even in a fun quiz, even
that. What's everyone learns? After
I'm
this
getting
one, write
question
what
nine
you've
before you
learned.
say the answer to this one as well. So it's a decode this emoji. Lightning fast containers. Is it a crab-based security tool? Is it performance monitoring, or is it a fast programming language? Now, if I've, oh, I better not give it away. I better not give it away. It's okay. Here, if three, two. If I find out that there's a crab-based security tool, that will make my 2025. Like one person as well. Like there is a crab security tool somewhere out there. I was thinking of
Ooh,
Rust for programming language. So it's got a crab. There we go. Rust. Is it Rusty, the crab name? Anyway, if only someone
I
could
didn't
find
know
out this
that.
information on the internet. Right. There we go. So got on that one, that was Rust. Okay, last one. Last one for this round. What emoji is used within AI? Again, this one I would I was panicking about earlier on, but now I don't care. Like, is it Python? Is it JavaScript? Is it COBOL or is it Fortran? Like, if I could give everyone on this quiz a sweater, I would. Like, that is me. That is me. But I've been threatened not to give everyone a sweater, so we have to all. Python,
Python. Yeah,
congratulations, everyone.
universal.
Congratulations.
Good job, everyone.
Universal level. So let's look. Oh, the leaderboard, we've got movement. Theo is now in first
Oh,
place, slowly winning the race as a snail. Then we got Solomon, then NSDT, and my demise again is always creeping up on me.
I'm rooting for your demise, Lewis.
Always, always. I know that's you on that no caller ID, just like with that evil laugh. It is you. It is you. Right. Here we go. Right, we're going to go on to the next round now. Again, I don't know what I named this round, so let's see what I did. Runtime reality check. Yes, and if with your runtime you want a reality check, you should be using a Dara with a hardened runtime. Done. Done. I can't believe they let me have a webcam sometimes. Okay, so quiz question 11. How many reindeer pull Santa's sleigh, including Rudolph? Is it eight? Is it nine? Is it 10? Or is it 11?
Do 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 do.
I thought that
Do
was a song by
you
Beck then.
recall the most famous reindeer of all? You got this.
Ugh.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was
that
nine.
nine.
I kind of feel bad that I only ever put one carrot out now on Christmas Eve. It should be nine. It's like, but again,
Do you
I guess it's
think
the same.
Rudolph shares? You think Rudolph's like a carrot hog, or do you think just takes a nibble and pass it down?
I think, like, don't tell anyone else, but I think Rudolph is a rock star reindeer. Like, I think that they take all the glory and
In a good
Yeah.
way or a bad way?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a terrible way.
Ego. A lot of
Yeah,
ego.
yeah. It's yeah. Never
And
meet heroes.
and they were just born with their nose. It's not like they did anything. It's not like they earned
Yeah,
it, you know?
yeah,
Not
yeah,
impressive. Hmm.
yeah. Right. Again, culturally significant as well, this quiz now. So cool. Let's go on to the next one. Question 12. Which of these is not a real Christmas movie yet? Is it Die Hard? Is it Jingle All the Way? Is it Deck the Halls? Or is it The Grinch Who Stole Your Base 64 Secrets? I don't
And they were
know.
easy to decode.
Yeah, yeah. It's the answer is
What's what's
oh,
even the point of base 64? I kind of like
hey.
if you just can write decode and get it. I never really understood. We got all caps. Die Hard is not a Christmas movie. Lewis, explain
Yeah,
yourself.
no. Oh my days. Like, look,
First of
I know
all,
it's
what
Kaylin. I know that Kaylin. Like Kaylin's like let me just take this out. Yeah, no, but I can hear Kaylin over here, over the Atlantic screaming. Yes.
someone's screaming too, by the way.
Oh no, it's actually Salmon because Salmon's like a couple of miles that way. It is a Christmas movie. Yippee-ki-yay and the rest. And oh yeah.
What makes a Christmas movie a Christmas movie? That's the question that needs to be answered here. Does it just need to like take place at Christmas time, or does there need to be like a Christmas themed
Well,
takeaway?
for me, a Christmas movie is when the main protagonist has to walk around broken glass, like, and then that's it. So that's how I think of a Christmas movie.
So
So
none
yeah.
of these are Christmas movies except for Die Hard by that standard.
Oh, they're all like actiony movies from all I've seen. Like Christmas. Um, but well, look, like if you don't necessarily agree with it not being like you're not gonna like some other of these questions that are coming up. It's like a Quizmas and Die Hard is the quiz. It's like a fusion quiz for you. Okay, let's
Chris
move on.
Cristobal
Oh,
has your back. Oh, are we
oh
moving?
yes,
Okay.
Chris. What does OCI stand for in OCI container? Oh, you can't spell container with a OCI. Yeah. Um, Operating container interface, open container initiative, orchestrated container instance, or original container implementation. Uh, who would have thought just like growing up and having to learn all these acronyms? It's
Oh
fantastic.
yeah.
It is the open container initiative. Yeah. I hate acronyms. I can never remember the right order of them, but yeah, so I guess this is more like my therapy. These quiz questions. I think like I'm dyslexic, so I did the noun verb one because I didn't actually know because I'm just yeah. And
CRI is related, and the I in that one's interface.
mm,
Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. Acronyms are
well,
hard.
hey, let's move on. Let's go.
Let's
Hey, you know what's up? It's question 14. What is the default port for Kubernetes API server? Is it port 443? Is it port 6443? Is it port 8080? Or is it port 10,250? Now, I hate myself for that because it's like if I'm doing that, then it should be 8,080 and 10,250. But anyway, numbers, just
it, yeah.
numbers. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry, this is more for me.
I don't know how to make that funny. It's just support.
I no, no,
I have no
no, it's
no clever quips for that one.
no. I'm just really good at making things awkward, Whitney. We know that. We know that.
I have to agree with you there.
You always do. And this time you can't walk away because we're on the internet. So it is port 6443 is the default API, Kubernetes API port. Okay, last question of this round.
Fast fingers.
What is the maximum number of nodes officially supported by a Kubernetes cluster? Is it 1,000? Is it 5,000? Is it 10,000? Or is it unlimited? Like your unlimited cluster, unlimited nodes.
I do like the fast fingers angle because there's kind of time to look it up if you're real fast about it. Like you
Yeah.
could go for correctness.
Like, if you're cheating on this quiz, honestly, fair
Who
play.
says it's cheating?
Right.
You
Pardon?
got the
Well,
internet
if you
available.
look, if you're searching, then yeah. But no, to your point, it's like, yeah. It is 5,000
Oh,
is officially supported. Now there are you can get lots more nodes, but it's not officially supported. If you look in the documentation, because I always read the docs for Quizmas, it's currently
his,
5,000.
your poor children. Like, let's sit down to a Christmas story. We're going to pull up a Kubernetes documentation. You're
Yeah.
going to love this
If
one, kids.
if I cry with Kubernetes, we're all gonna cry with Kubernetes, kids. We're in this together. We're in this together. Right. So it is 5,000. Okay. Are you ready for the leaderboard? Because we're going into our
I'm
last
so
round then.
ready.
So you
Come on, Lewis.
come
Lewis's
on.
demise. Oh, doing well.
Oh,
Solomon. I
Salman's
actually,
picking up the pace. He's picking up the pace. Then we got NSDT. Then we got My Demise is creeping up on me. And Theo slowed down a little bit.
yeah.
Or
Wow,
it
what a
could be,
whirlwind.
I know, oh, God, I feel like there's people outside of this who are having fun right now. Like I feel like
Tell yourself
I,
what you need to tell yourself, Lewis.
I do. I'm just saying what
Some
everyone's thinking.
Salmon says there are some questionable questions in this round. Questionable how?
What?
I mean that those seem verifiable as opposed to the freaking emojis, which is just
Yeah.
whatever Lewis feels.
Well, but my feelings are my feelings, and they're important. But you can't say that when you're on the top of a leaderboard. Like you can't have a
Oh yeah, good point.
yeah, like,
Salmon's
well,
complaining and winning at the same time. What the heck, dude?
can someone like go in and like hope to take them down a peg? Aren't all questions? Yes, they are. Like all questions are questionable, and especially, and I
Very
have
good
lots
point.
of questions. I got so I bring it. Right,
Caitlin, I
let's
don't
go
know if
in.
I've met you in real life, but I'd like to be your friend, please. Thank you.
The Christmas power has gone to my head, apparently. Like it's fine, fine. I've been so humble all my life, all these 41 years, and then I just break. It's fine. Oh, geez. Okay. God, this is turning into my demise. But all right, December chaos. Right. Die Hard is a Christmas movie.
Oh, okay.
In the movie Die Hard, which is a
Oh,
Christmas movie, what building does the story take place in on Christmas Day? Is it the Empire State Building? Is it the Willis Tower? Is it Nakatomi Plaza? Or is it Stark Tower?
I'm not seeing an answer. I can't answer on my screen. Not that
Um,
I've just been watching it go by.
it's because you need a cat. You need a cat to hit it.
Oh, okay.
No, there's no
No one could
options.
answer.
No
It
one.
wasn't
Oh
just
God.
me.
Oh God. It's because it's not a Christmas movie, apparently. Um, there's been a technical issue. Let me shout at my technical person. It's like, can you fix it? We'll see. Otherwise, Salman's want to sweat. Let's
I
see what
wish I had
happens there.
that. When I had a problem, I could just yell it into the air and things would
See,
magically happen.
this all started by saying the questions were questionable. Now the answers have just gone. So it's like this is what happens. Like, God, let's see. Let's see. You might
Oh
be
no,
able to answer
Caitlin.
this one.
Yeah, I got answers now. Caitlin,
Okay,
refresh.
refresh your screen. What does cloud native actually mean according to the CNCF? Is it running only in public clouds? Is it using containers in Kubernetes? Is it building scalable applications using cloud technologies? Or is it no on-premise infrastructure? I wonder if this is cloud. Maybe it was just a pod refreshing. Maybe it was just like, we didn't set up the resource limits and it just went, it's so fantastic. We're breaking the internet. Look, now we got them back. I reckon there was a Grinch who I'm going to call Kalen, it's like went in and made sure that that Die Hard question wasn't a valid question. So now we've gone down to 19. I've That's what's happened. It is building scalable applications using cloud technologies. Um, it's going to be more demise to me apparently. Okay, so yes, it's building scalable applications using cloud technologies. Question 18. Okay. Which of these is not a real Kubernetes object? Is it a pod? Is it a config map? Is it a micro VM? Or is it a stateful set? Do you know this one, Whitney?
Yes, fast fingers.
Awesome.
You got this.
That's the only thing. Like you're not gonna have fast fingers for the rest of the day. Like your keyboard's gonna it's gonna slow down, and that's okay. It's a micro VM.
Yeah.
Micro VMs don't exist, and like look, if you're looking to isolate your workloads but still have that performance, you know who you need to speak to? Adara.
Is this question made just for a segue for you to promote Hedera?
Maybe.
It's fair. We all need to get paid. I respect it.
It's just what I do every day. Like it's on the front of my mind. It's there. It's like I can't. It's like don't think of Adara, and then bam, it's there. Like that's our new market. No, it's not a new.
There's
Caitlin, I'm joking. I'm joking.
there's an Hedera poster on your ceiling above your bed.
yeah, yes. It's a yes. Just
Last thing
checking.
you think about before you fall asleep, first thing when you wake up.
I don't sleep. Like if you've woken,
Saddle
I
body pillow next to you.
so I think that's probably why there's a number of these issues happening is I don't sleep. Right. Right. I think there's a couple of people who just want two questions and then they can get on with their merry day. All right, let's go for 19. Is that a die-hard question? No, it's a Linux one. Which of these is a real Linux distribution? Is it the Hannah Montana Linux? Is it Justin Bieber Linux? Is it Taylor Swift OS? Or is it BTS Ubuntu? Ooh.
I hope when
Oh,
you tell me what the answer is, you also tell me why and how. I want a story.
does it have to be legit?
I suppose not.
Okay,
I'll take
then
what
you're
I
going to
can
get
get.
the non-legitimate answer to Hannah Montana Linux.
What the heck?
So as she was filming in her Disney show, formerly mentioned the Hannah Montana show, I believe. Did you have, was it named that as well in America?
Yes,
A
I
big,
think. Miley
was a,
Cyrus is Hannah Montana.
yeah, a big
Hmm.
fan, big fan. Um, like as well as being a fantastic actress, she really got into open source, and wanted to contribute back to the community. And
The
so then
character
during,
did.
no,
Okay. Oh, this
Miley
is made
Cyrus.
up.
But then
Okay,
she
okay.
didn't want to
We'll
take
be
all the
Googling
credit, so
this.
she used her alter ego and
Okay.
as Hannah Montana, and she
Okay.
created her own Linux distribution.
Uh-huh.
Because she saw that there was a vulnerability in the shared kernel, and so she thought, well, actually, let's try and do this. But then her career just skyrocketed, and yeah, and then she went off to do her wrecking ball things and so forth, which was fantastic. I was there for that. But then that's where Hannah Montana Linux came from. But then that's where we picked it up as Adara because we also identified that the shared kernel was a problem. So we've been figuring that out. So it's a case of we've taken it forward. None of that's true. I hope I don't get sued.
I have
There we
a
go.
message for Miley Cyrus who's definitely going to watch this
Uh,
recording.
she is like,
And,
yeah.
and
I'm
that is
meeting
if
up for
you
a
want to
pint with her
contribute.
afterwards, actually. So yeah, so I didn't know we have mutual friends. It was fantastic, fantastic.
If you want to
Um,
contribute back to the community, it's better to work on something that's well supported instead of spinning off your own little thing. But
that's
thank you for your effort, Hannah
yeah,
Montana
like
slash Miley
yeah.
Cyrus.
Thank you, thank you. Someone should update Wikipedia because I don't think they've added that entry yet. Okay, let's go into the last question. All right, question 20 of 20. True or false, axolotls can regenerate their limbs, their heart, and even parts of their brain. Right.
If this is true, I want a story about why an axolotl needs to regenerate part of its brain.
I've got 5 seconds to come up with something. Here we go. Oh,
Met
it
Lewis.
meant li-
It's over. You don't need a story. Kayla, Kayla's gotcha.
who needs nation states when you got Caitlin here? Just true. Like,
True.
yeah. And sadly for me, like Caitlin just breaks my heart, and so that's never going to be fixed. Yeah, axolotls can regenerate their limbs, heart, and part of their brains. I don't know which part. Maybe I'll pivot. Maybe I'll pivot into axolotls after this.
All
Okay, are we
right, here's the
ready?
big winner. Who's going to get the sweater?
Wait,
Drum
I got a
roll.
button. I can do a drum roll, so I don't know if
There's a
can
real
can
drum roll button. Oh, look at
can
that.
you hit?
Who's it
Yeah,
going to
yeah. There we
be?
go.
I'm so
Got to click on the
excited.
screen.
It's
Oh, and
coming.
it's in fourth place. We got James A. And oh, cheers, screen for taking over the announcement. But yeah. Then Chris came third, and NSDT came second, and Salman came first. So Salman, if you could message me, lewis@adera.dev with well, drop me an email, and then we'll sort it out to make sure you get this sweater
Oh,
posted to you.
Lewis's demise, who had to do two different ones, if you add theirs together, I think that puts them in the leaderboard. I don't think the top. And then you also missed a question, didn't you? Lewis's demise. Man, I was rooting for you.
I think we figured out. Like, I don't know if you've seen that new Knives Out thing where I'm like I've forgotten the main protagonist's name. But I feel like just call me Ironside. I feel like I figured out who Lewis's demise is, and I think I'm looking at her right now. Right? This isn't just
Oh,
some
me?
quiz. This
No, I did
is
Lewis
it. Yeah,
rules.
it's you.
No,
Like, we
no,
used to
no,
go to
it's not
Mexico
me.
together and go and watch wrestling. True fact. True fact. And we
Caitlin's
used to
even
give
saying it's
talks.
me, Lewis. It's me, Lewis, in the thing.
She,
I'm
right.
Lewis Drools. I am on here and I'm Lewis Drools. So
Yes.
we're of the same minds, Caitlin and I.
Yeah, no, okay, look, like this isn't all about me, but like, my demise is coming. We all know that. And it is probably going to be 2026. That's probably something everyone is looking forward to in 2026, but not today because it's 2025. We've done the Quizmas. Salmon is my friend now because they're getting a sweater with an axolotl on it. That can't regenerate. It's a one of a kind. So I please celebrate. But yeah, well, I think that's the end of our Quizmas webinar. I hope, look, I don't know how your year can get better from this. Like, I think that's reached a peak now. So maybe just like hibernate until the new year. But Whitney, thank you for coming and joining us as ever. It's always a
This is
pleasure to see
an
you.
absolute joy. Thank you for having me. I had a blast.
And And yeah, thanks to everyone else who's joined. Yeah, I hope you all have a lovely couple of weeks. I know for some it's a difficult time, but well, if you ever need someone to reach out to, I'm here for you as well. So yeah, but thank you ever so much for joining us. We'll see you in
Thanks.
2026 somewhere, and somewhere on the internet, somewhere around the world. Who knows? But we'll find each other.
Thanks
Right.
everyone in the chat for being super awesome and fun too.
Yes. And thank you to Theo as well for getting this all this stuff bringing together. So thank you for that. Right. Now go off and stop procrastinating, get that work done, get finished off. Come on, finish strong. And yeah, see you all soon.
Bye.